1990, 2 piso Philippine coins. Features, value 2 piso. Year 1990. Shape, nonagonal, 9-sided. Material, copper nickel. Obverse or front, portrait of Andres Bonifacio, a Filipino revolutionary hero. Inscription, Republika ng Pilipinas, and year of minting. Reverse image of Cocos nocifera, scientific name of coconut tree. Inscription, Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas or Central Bank of the Philippines. Historical context, Andres Bonifacio in 1863 until 1897, known as the father of the Philippine Revolution, founder and leader of the Katipunan, a secret society that initiated the Philippines Revolution against Spanish rule in 1896. Advocated for independence and was a key figure in the rallying the masses. He is often compared with Jose Rizal, though Bonifacio took a more militant approach. He was executed in 1897 under controversial circumstances during internal conflict in the revolutionary movement. Cocos nocifera or coconut tree, the national tree of the Philippines, a crucial part of the Filipino agriculture and economy, often referred to as the tree of life due to its many uses: food, oil, material, etc., symbolizes sustenance and versatility in the Filipino culture. Numismatic note, the 2 piso nonagonal coin is part of the Flora and Fauna series issued by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas during the late 1980s and early 1990s. The nonagonal shape makes it unique and collectible. It was eventually withdrawn from circulation when newer currency design, new BSP series, were introduced.